All right, so guys, I'll be dropping the solutions of all of the assignments in Math 101, and take your time to pause to check through the videos and understand all of the concepts. So, our first question, specifically for MLS department, is we have U equals to all of the days of the week, and B to be equals to days of the week starting with X. So everybody knows that we have 7 days in the week, which is already listed, and 2 days that start with S is only Saturday and Sunday. So list the members of B prime. B prime, that's the complement of B. When we say complement simply means you are taking away the two values, the two members of B from the universal set. So when you take Sunday and Saturday from the universal set, you have 5 days left, which is Monday to Friday. Then, secondly, we are asked to find the cardinality of B. Cardinality simply means the number of the elements. So the number of the elements of B is 2. And the same thing, number of B prime, the cardinality of B prime, how many are they? That's 5. There are 5 in numbers. So that's for question 1. Question 1 is a typical set question. So let's move down to question 2. So question 2 is a question on functions, and we have f of x to be x squared minus x plus 1, and we have to find f of a and f of b. So f of a simply means that anywhere you see the value of x, you are representing it with a. So that becomes a squared minus a plus 1. F of b, similarly, anywhere you see the value for b, for x, you are to insert b. So that's b squared minus b plus 1. Now the next thing, f of a plus b, anywhere you see x, you are inserting the value for a plus b. So we are always making reference back to the given function. So that will be a plus b all squared minus a plus b plus 1. Then by expansion, we have a squared plus 2ab plus b squared minus a minus b plus 1. Now, they gave us an observation. They asked us to observe if f of a plus b is the same thing as f of a plus f of b. So by comparison, you can see clearly that they are not the same thing. So you can be given questions like this in exam, and they will ask which of the following statement is true. A, f of a plus b is equals to f of a plus b, and b, f of a plus b is not equals to f of a plus b. So take note of that. So that's question. So the next question we
number 2.
have
So we are
is a
moving down to
question
the
on
next question now.
inequality, and I've seen many students asking this question. And the question we have to solve in terms of n squared. N squared simply means natural number. Sorry for writing it in such manner. Natural number, there is a way of writing it. If it is z squared, that's n z squared, that's integer squared. So n squared simply means that you are, at the end of the day, your answer must be in two different dimensions. That is in in an ordered pair. So it must be in an ordered pair. If it is 3 dimension, that's n cube, n raised to power 3. Your answer will be a comma b comma 3 comma c. So in 3 different dimensions. If it is n4, that's 4 dimension, a comma b comma c comma d. Are you getting me? But since it is n squared, first your answer must be a natural number. Secondly, it must be in form of an ordered pair. Ordered pair simply means that one must be x, the other one must be y. Are you getting it? If it is 3, if it is n raised to power 3, one will be x, the other one will be y, the other one will be z, and they must all be natural numbers. So that is what solving n squared means, right? So the inequality is something everybody can solve. So it's just normal substitution. Make y the subject of the formula, and you have 4 minus x. Substitute it back to equation 1. You have x 4 minus x less than equals to what? 2x. So by simplification, you have the value for x to be 0 and to be 0, 2. Those are the answers for x. So you have to find the value for y corresponding. So the corresponding value for y will now be, you substitute the value for x, and which of the values of x are you substituting? If you substitute the value for x to be 0, you have 4. If you substitute the value for the x to be 2, you have 2. Right? So value for y is now 2, 4, and that is our answer. So the answer is y is in 2, 4. Those two numbers are the natural numbers. So it can't be 0, 2 because 0 is not a natural number. I get me. Remember, I told you guys that 0 is a whole number. Natural numbers start from 1, whole numbers start from 0. So that's question number 2. That's question number 3. We are moving to question number 4 now. A set question alongside with some principles of probability, and you can see clearly we have the number of students that pass mathematics to be 18, that pass physics to be 17. The student that pass both subjects, mathematics and physics, should be 11, and the number of students that failed both, that is M union P prime, that's equals to 1. So they want us to find the number of candidates that passed only mathematics, that passed only physics, and the total number of candidates. The total number of candidates is very simple. That's the universal set. Are you getting me? So the universal set is simply total number of students that passed mathematics, that passed physics, and those ones that failed the two of them. Right? Then you subtract it from those ones that passed both. That's how you are going to get the universal set. But let's quickly do the first one. The first one is number of mass times the cardinality of mathematics given P. So that slash symbol means given P, provided that we have students that pass physics. So that is equals to number of mathematics, cardinality of mathematics minus cardinality of mathematics and physics. So if you take those people that did maths and physics from those ones that did only math, you have 7 people. So we have only 7 students passed mathematics. So the same approach, physics given mathematics, now that's going to be 17 minus 11, that's 6. So we have only 6 students that passed physics. So as I explained earlier, to find the total number of candidates, everybody, you have to start with the union, the intersection, the number of students of maths, number of students of physics, number of students of mathematics and physics plus 1. Where is the 1 coming from? The 1 is the complement of those people that failed both subjects. So that's 18 plus 17 minus 11 plus 1, which is 25. So it means it is 25 students that participated in the examination. Right? So that is that for. So this question, according to what that was sent to me, it was for MLS department and computer science department. So I'll be dropping the next video on for other departments as well. Thank you. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly click on the subscription button. Thank you.